How to create table in Figma. So in this video, I will show you how to create table in Figma. Figma doesn't have a built-in table tool, but you can easily create responsive editable tables using auto layout frames and components. So here's how you can do it. First, go ahead and open Figma and then open your project. So let's try opening a project from my drafts. From here, go ahead and press F or click on the frame tool. And then set the frame size to match your desired table width. So for example, I want my table width to be of this size. So make sure that the table width and height are equal. And then add rows with auto layout. So inside the frame, create a row using horizontal auto layout. So click on Shift A. Add text layers for each cell. This is how it looks like. So you can also add lines yourself in here. And then duplicate these lines. Until you fill in all of the spaces on your frame. And then create these lines. And then duplicate this again. Until it reaches the bottom of this frame. So that is a simple hack on how you can create a table in Figma.